gifts of nature. And in the Mahabharata, it is very important for us to know, and this has been explained by Grandfather Bhishmadev, that there are three main gifts of nature that have actually been given to mankind for our material as well as spiritual well-being. Yes, it's time to take out the notebook. Three gifts of nature. And these three gifts of nature are ingrained. Ingrained, what does it mean, ingrained? Huh? Rice. Well, maybe there's a connection. You know, you put grains in the ground. So ingrained means you put something very deep. To ingrain means to remember, to put it in your thick skull. To ingrain. Ingrain means to put. And I guess there's a connection with putting grains in the ground. Then it will take root. It will become strong. So in the Vedic culture, these three gifts of nature are ingrained in everyone's mind. It's like natural. One cannot live. One cannot live, one cannot exist, ultimately one cannot become Krishna conscious without these three gifts of nature. And I think you know them. Yes. Let's ask somebody who doesn't know. Then how will get an answer? So, in order as given, in order as spoken by Grandfather Bhishmadev, and you're entitled to answer only, to give only one, to give a chance to others. What is the first of the three gifts of nature explained by Grandfather Bhishmadev to who? To whom did he explain? Huh? Yes, Yudhishthira Maharaj. This was actually, this was a previous chapter. Grandfather Bhishmadev leaving his body. On his bed of arrows, he spoke. He spoke for maybe up to 2 months, at least 1 month, depending on the TT at that time. We have to find out. It's part of your research.
Yes, yes.
You're lagging behind your research. I'm not getting any feedback. Already given a few homework, not getting feedback. What was the TT? No. When did from the time the Battle of Kurukshetra, or from the time Grandfather Bhishmadev was on his bed of arrows, which is actually before the end of the Battle of Kurukshetra, how many days before he fell on his bed of arrows till he actually left his body? This will determine how many days he actually spoke.
Maharaj,
Yes,
one
ji.
point. Is Gita Jayanti day? We will search Gita Jayanti. Which day? Bhishma Pitama fell on the arrow on 10th day.
On the 10th day.
Yes, and we minus the date to the Makar Sankranti when the.
Yes, gee, I understand that. So I'm asking you, how many days is that? Because do you know the Tithi of Gita Jayanti?
13th of December.
No. It changes every year.
It changes every year, but the distance is same, because if change Gita Tithi.
No.
The Tithi of Makar Sankranti also change.
No. Makara Sankranti is always on the same day, 15th of January. And the Gita Jayanti Tithi is changing. So how it can be the same? You have to teach some basic mathematics to Prabhu.
Yes.
Yeah. Anyways, the point being that Grandfather Bhishmadev, for many days, 1 month, probably more than 1 month, he spoke to Yudhishthira Maharaj, And one of the important points, one of the most, I would not say necessarily most important, but very, very important, is he explained about these three gifts of nature. So now I'm coming to the question. Whoever actually knows, perfectly knows, only those who perfectly knows can raise their hand. And mention only one. Who knows all three of them in proper order? Wow, you're getting very excited here. Okay, well, you get to answer only one. What the first gift of nature is? Wrong. Hey. Who wants to dare another, he had his hand up first. Haribol. Cows. First gift of nature. Okay. You get a second chance. What is the second one mentioned by Grandfather Bhishma Dev?
When was land?
Hey, your hand is not up.
The land.
Yes. Land. And the third gift of nature? Attending Bhagavatam class.
Yes.
Knowledge.
Knowledge. Cows, land, or earth, and knowledge. Cultivation of knowledge. And that cultivation of knowledge will culminate to Krishna consciousness. Yeah, will culminate to Krishna, to know Krishna, not to know Krishna, but to love Krishna. Krishna prema, love of God, love of Krishna. So